I recorded this video on 31st December last year, so I'm in this video to teach you how to record and edit something like this. Don't forget to share this video. Let's go. Set your tripod in a steady position in the first clip and record the video in empty background in ascending order while gently shifting the camera towards the left or right hand side. And in the second clip, record it in this way. And after that, you head over to CapCut. Having brought the two clips on CapCut editing application, then you have to highlight the second one by touching on it. Swipe to this end until you get to overlay, which is marked by this. Okay, click on it, click and hold and swipe it to the beginning of the video, so it will appear like this. The next thing which we need to do now is to have the green background only, so we need to crop the rest out. Have the overlay highlighted, you swipe to this end to transform. Here is it. Click on it and click on resize for me, then click and hold and drag it up to where you want it to end. Okay, then you do the remaining adjustment from up and behind. Okay, you can see what I am doing. All right, I think this is okay. Then you click on this very check mark key here. So having the green background like this, the next thing you need to do is to remove the entire green screen. This is what we will do. Click on this return arrow and then look for remove BG. That is remove background. Here is it. Ask your question if you are not getting what I'm explaining. Then click on chroma key. So the moment you get to this place, this is what you will do. Look inside this very green background, you will see a circle that was activated the moment you clicked on that very chroma key. Click inside the circle here, click and hold and shift it like this, okay, until that very green color disappears. Head over to this very intensity and take it up forward. I think this should be okay until the green color disappears entirely. Then once you're done with that, you click on check mark key. Let's test our work. All right, what that remains now is to make this image here to be moving upward as the background, the first clip is also moving as if something is going up. That is what we need to do. First of all, come over to the beginning of the video like this, okay, and have it highlighted. Come over to this chroma key, click on it until it will change to minus. Now automatically this very red arrow will be activated. Okay, this is what you will do. Once you take the video forward, you come inside here and use your hands to shrink it, that is to zoom it in, okay, a bit, and you take it up. Then you move again. You can either shift it backward or upward and reduce it again. Now let's play the video before we continue. Have you seen how I activated the button? Now to make it continue moving, you come over to the stuff again and reduce it and take it forward. Okay, let me add another effect by bringing it backward like this and then zoom it in. Now let's play the video. Have you seen how the effect took place there? Now this is the end of it. Before exporting the video, need to remove the excess part of the video clip by highlighting it this way. You delete. Once you are done adjusting the clips, then you head over to this very export and have it downloaded straight to your gallery. And that is the end of the tutorial. Kindly share so that others will benefit. See you in my next video.